Kunle, if you see the way this babe kiss me, I bet that's another girl she dey kiss.
You don't start. That's the problem I have with you. You two dey lie. So what you tell them out? Thief. Why you get when you say all of us all the eye? I don't wait me reach my turn. Now you don't. Guy, warn yourself. Oh.
Guy, I feel you dey really reason me less. You dey reason me like say I be one of una wey dey this place. You know how that girl dey with me? Eh? Person when they come my house every time, that girl na my bestie. We dey run things.
best.
Me say.
Today they call people bestie. I beg you. Oh, sit down. This thief. But wait first, hey. But wait, where's Sandra dey? Some way she never come. You think she go come up today?
No, and Sandra, bitch, she fit go run one or two hustle now. You know how she dey do. When I hustling girl, she'll come back anytime soon.
For your mind now, you know everything. You know everything about her.
I said that my friend, that my girl.